अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Now let's quickly start this verse. This is verse number 71 and this is the same story of slaughtering the cow when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the children of Israel to slaughter a cow, and when they went to Musa alayhi salam for the matter of dispute, for the matter of murder, and so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told them to slaughter a cow. So this is the same story. So initially in the last verse what we had got three conditions for the cow. That is, the cow should be of middle age, it should be of yellow in color, and the color should be bright, okay, and the cow also should be beautiful, okay. And then again they asked the question. They were not satisfied with those three conditions, and they again further asked the questions, and now this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving them the reply. Qala, he said, this he goes to Musa alayhi salam. Musa alayhi salam said, innahu, indeed he, this he goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yaqulu, he says, this again he goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Musa alayhi salam said to the children of Israel that indeed he says, ya innaha, indeed it, Baqarah, the cow, indeed it's a cow. This ha goes to for the cow. This ha is feminine gender, this Baqarah is also feminine gender. Indeed it's a cow, la, not zalul, trained to sirul earth, to plow the land, okay. Now again they got one more condition, that not it should be trained to plow the field. Wala taski, and not it should water al-haris, the tilth or the field, okay. Tusirul earth means plowing the field, plow the land, and taskil hers means water the land or water the field, water the field. Not it should water al-hars, the field. This word we had got at the time of Musa alayhi salam, when tasqa Musa. The root word is same here, when Musa alayhi salam asked for water. So here also now, not it should water al-hars, the field. Musallama, it should be sound. La shiyata, no shia, blemish fiha, in it, okay. Now again one more condition they got that the cow should not plow the field, it should not water the field, and also it should be sound, it should not have a single blemish in it. Fiha means in it, means in her body or on her body. Qalu, they all said. Now they all said, who said? This is, they all means children of Israel, they replied, okay. Al-ana, now, ji'ta, you came, bil haqq, with the truth. Bil haqq is B plus al plus haqq, okay. B means in or with, al means the, haqq means truth. Now you came with the truth. Fazabahu, ha, fa means then, okay. Now see, the children of Israel, now they understood that the more they will ask questions, they will get into the trouble. Now here see, they got how many? They got 3 or 4 conditions till now. First, the condition was it should be of middle age. Second condition was it should be of bright yellow in color, and also it should be beautiful. Third condition was it should not water, not plow the field, and also it should not plow the field, and also it should not water the field, and not watering the field, and also it should be blemish free, okay. 4 is no blemish, means the cow should be of yellow color without any black spot on her, okay. So now they got all these conditions. So now they understood that the more they will ask questions, now this is very difficult to find out the cow with all these conditions. Now they understood that if we will ask more questions, then we will get into the more trouble. So now they understood, and now what they did? First zabahu, hafa means then zabahu, they all slaughtered, ha it. Okay, then they all slaughtered it. With all these conditions, they found some cow and they slaughtered it. Wama kadu, and ma means not, kadu means they all were. Yafa'alu, near to do it, not they all were near. Fa'ala means to do it. They slaughtered it and they were not near to do it means if that matter of dispute wouldn't have been there, they would not have followed this order or command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.